Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos. For your daily energies, Leos, we are picking few cards, guys. A very happy new year and a very merry Christmas, Leos. I hope this year we all have a very prosperous, happy and fun-filled new year. So with that happy intention, let's start the reading, guys, Leo. So for your daily energies, these are the cards, guys. These are for your career situation and these are for your relationship, Leos. So we will open the cards as we proceed into the reading, guys. So let's start with the daily reading. It's 10 of Cups in reverse, 4 of Swords in reverse and Strength in reverse. So with these cards, guys, in your situation today, you are very careful today, maybe taking extra precautions today in your situation. So something maybe in the way you spend your money or the way you decide on some important things in your career or personal life, you are being very precautious, thinking twice before going in with that choice or going with that decision today. So you are concerned about each and every minute detail before you proceed in any path. So that may be the reason that you are avoiding many negative situations today, guys. So all that something bad coming your way, you are avoiding because of this wise administration that you have in your situation today, Leos. So you are thinking deeply before any action. So that is helping you a lot. And there are people in your career or personal life who do not know what is there in your heart. So they are not having that understanding. So they may be working against your wishes. So some decisions or some in something in your work situation that may be worrying you because they don't know what your intentions are and they are doing something on their own and that may be affecting you, guys. And for some of you, you may have some kind of addictive behavior, some addictions or some kind of an illness you are suffering from. So that may again become some sort of weakness today for you, obstructing the way you go about in your work or in your personal life, that effective administration. So that may affect a little. It may be something minor, guys. I see it may not be something to worry about, Leos. So that is what I see with these cards for your daily energies, Leos. Let us see what are these cards for our career situation. It's 8 of Wands, Justice and Ace of Pentacles in reverse. So with these cards, I see that you are seeing that success growing in your situation. You are already enjoying certain to an extent, success to a certain extent, maybe in your projects or in your investments, whatever work you are involved in. You see a positive growth in your work and you see that your efforts are beginning to pay off and you are happy for it. Happy for how things are going today, and you are sharing your profits or that positive returns in your career, so that a success you are sharing with those who are not fortunate enough. Maybe with someone in your family, friends, you are helping them, and it is giving them a lot of happiness the way you go about, and you are having that clarity in your decisions. Whatever path you choose, you are doing it with that logical thinking, and you are finding that balance in your situation, guys, finding that harmony in your situation, weighing the pros and cons before making some important decisions, Leo. So success in your career situation, guys, that is what I see with these cards. Let us see what are the cards for your relationship, Leos. It's Two of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, and Ace of Swords. So in your relationship, I see that you are trying to find time for yourself, trying to adapt in this relationship, maybe finding time for your work and spending time with this person, or you are trying to maybe adapt yourself to this person. This may be a new person you are with, so you are working towards that better understanding today, guys. And for some of you Leos, if you are open to a new relationship, there is a new person coming towards you, and this relationship may be challenging you. It may be something like an adventure. So the time you spend with this person, it may be you are using all your learning today to get their attention and get their love. So for some of you, it may be a new person coming in, but I also see that in this relationship, guys, some things you are learning about yourself, you are learning the truth about yourself. So this person may come out, they may be the reason for you to give that clarity. So you have that deep introspection, reflection within yourself, what you are. So they are the way they are with you, that may bring that clarity for you, guys. And for some of you, I also see that if you are with a new person in a new connection, you cannot trust them completely, guys, because they may have their own agenda, so you need to be careful. That is what I see with these cards, Leos, for your daily reading. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.